Beep beep, everybody. Hope you're all having a great day. Thanks for tuning in. Today we're opening up 2023 Top Series 1, and I know I'm a little late to the game as this has been out for about a week now. I don't have a local card shop, so I couldn't pick this stuff up the day it came out, so I could be, putting my video out when everybody else is putting their videos out. But nonetheless, this is earlier than I usually get to a new product. I bought this off of eBay from someplace out in Ohio that had it for $1 less than what it's selling for on the Tops.com websites, and I did a pre-order on it, and it arrived on Saturday, but I didn't have any time over the weekend to open it. But here we are, a few days after I got it, and let's open it up and see what we find in there. I didn't really do a whole lot of research on this. There are plenty of videos out there that are doing the research on this kind of stuff and, how many they've made and all that other stuff, estimating it based on the gold cards and things. So let's open this up and have some fun. So I understand that, let's see, double check this. The hobby boxes have 24 packs per box, and there are 14 cards per pack. And I forget what these things are called, but these are exclusive to hobby packs. They're your Mojo cards or whatever they're called. Okay, move. Oh, jeez. Sorry. Oy, 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 oy. It's gonna be one of those days, I guess. Let's stack these up like this. Nathan's way over here. I don't know if you can see Nathan. Boop, boop, boop for good luck. And I'm going to need some room probably for all this because this is a lot of packs. And we'll open up this last. And I'll give you a chance to look at these odds, which are printed really, really small, so I doubt you can see them. But you can look these things up on like Baseball Cardpedia. I would recommend that. I'm sure there's a couple other sites that also have the odds. So we start off with Josh Donaldson, and this is what the new designs look like. And I actually like these better than... Let me change this. My phone was really... Let me get the order, get it sort of centered there. Sorry about the malfunctions. I like these designs better than the 2022 designs. I think they're just more appealing to me for whatever reason. It doesn't seem real busy in that everything is down here in this one corner. So we got Josh Donaldson, Trevor Story. These are what the backs look like. It doesn't look too much different than other recent Topps cards. Jimmy Herget. Here's one of our first team cards. This is for the Mets. There's McNeil. Oh, I don't know what this is. All aces. It's like a playing card. Shane McClanahan. That's different. Okay. We're going to deal with flipping things around like an old Upper Deck pack. Josh Rojas. Jonathan Aranda rookie card. Brandon Crawford. William Contreras. Brendan Rodgers. Cesar Hernandez. Chas McCormick. Emmanuel Clase. Our first burp card of the season. You can see he's pounding his chest trying to get it out. Cool. And Julio Arias. So the photography, I think, is pretty good on these. I can't tell if it's better than 2022 or not. Marcel Ozuna, Taylor Rogers, Kyle Stowers rookie card, Taylor Ward, Kyle Gibson. All right, this is our first 1988 design. Every year they move the date back 35 years ago, so it's the 1988 Topps design for these 88 inserts, T88-40. There's Brendan Rodgers. And again, it looks like we have to flip some cards around. I have not actually watched any other Topps 2023 openings, so this is all new to me. Cal Raleigh, Tyler McGill, Riley Green rookie card. And I don't know what the big rookies are in this set either. Sean Murphy, Shohei Ohtani, Burp, Aaron Nola, Corey Lee, and Max Fried. Beep, beep. Hoo-hoo! We got Jazz Chisholm. That's a pretty cool photo. C.J. Abrams, Mitch Haniger, David McKinnon rookie card. Christian Yelich, that is a gold card. Okay, it doesn't look like gold, it looks like brown, like previous years. And it's got a numbering up here that's hard to read with the gold on the blue, so let me shine a little. I can't quite get it in focus, but that is where your gold numbering is. That's 573 out of 2022. Alex Verdugo. Next generation, Toronto's young stars celebrate. I presume that's Guerrero and Bichette. Yandy Diaz. Leover Peguero rookie card. Yasmani Grandal. Jonah Bride rookie card. Pavin Smith. Jake Cronenworth and Brian Serven rookie card. Beep beep. Oh yeah, I didn't mention that, but because this is a hobby box, sorry, I'm trying to find the box, which I put on the floor and I can't reach. It should have one autograph or relic card in every hobby box, so we'll be looking for that. Hopefully we'll get something good. Zach Thompson. Blue Jays card. Guess I'll put that there. This is what our leaders look like. That's a little messy. This is batting average, I presume. That's Arias, Judge, and Bogarts. And, yep, there it is. Kind of strange having a season where in your top 10 you have a few players under 300. It kind of reminds me of the early 70s in the American League and the late 60s in both leagues. The Orioles card. Again, there's a lot of water in the air. 1-2 punch, Alek Manoah and Kevin Gausman. Let's flip these over. Tyler O'Neill, Vaughn Grissom, rookie card. I think I'll put him over here. I've heard good things about him. Jorge Mateo, Eli Morgan, Gavin Lux, Kevin Kiermaier, Shea Langeliers, rookie card, Cedric Mullins, Alex Wood. Beep, beep. So this is going to be probably a somewhat long video. I don't open up 24 packs as fast as other folks. So if you feel like clicking on that cogwheel and changing your playback speed to twice, you'll get through this faster if you're in a hurry. Star Power. Toro comes up big in ninth. Celebration in Seattle. Darren Ruff. There's a Braves card. Here's another league leaders. This is home runs. Judge, Trout, and Alvarez. And there are your home run leaders in the American League. Judge was way ahead of everybody that year. Dominic Leone, Matt Duffy, Bryson Stott, big pile of soup on his uniform there, Starling Marte, Albert Almora, there's Vlad Guerrero Jr., burp, he's doing a burp, got a lot of burp cards in this set, that's a good thing, Joey Votto, Brad Miller, and Luis Robert. Beep beep. Woohoo! There's Michael Harris, the second rookie card, so that's a good one. Josh Stolmont, Chicago Cubs, water everywhere. What is it with all the water? Rangers card, doing some sort of dance together. That's nice. We got another 88 design, Jeter Downs, rookie card. This is kind of annoying, the cards being flipped over, but we'll get through it. Nolan Gorman rookie card. Gleyber Torres. Oscar Gonzalez rookie card. Owen Miller. Santiago Espinal. Christian Pache, burp card. Travis Swaggerty rookie card. Randall Grichuk. And Luis Garcia, bat meets ball. That's a great photo. Beep beep. Kansas City Royals with Bobby Witt Jr. on the front of that. Leaders, RBI, Judge, Ramirez, and Tucker. And there are your leaders on the back there. Welcome shower for Buxton. So the theme this year must be dumping water on people. Mets bat power victory, bro time. Like they're both burping at each other. All right, I have to put that in the burp pile. Sorry. Alrighty. Flip these around. Tyler Stevenson, Martin Perez, Seiya Suzuki, Steven Matz, Nick Pratto rookie card, Marco Gonzalez, Keston Hiura. That's a pretty cool photo. Look at that. That is nice. George Kirby, Garrett Cole, and Ethan Small rookie card. Beep beep. Woohoo! Caleb Smith, Ryan McMahon. He's completely in the air on that photo. That's pretty neat. ERA leaders in the American League. That's Verlander, Cease, and Manoah. And there are your ERA leaders there. Okay. Red Sox card. Somebody there spilled soup on their uniform. Guess we'll put that in that pile. Marcus Wilson. Oh, wow, cool. That's nice. That's a nice photo. That's his rookie card. Vlad Guerrero Jr. on the 1988 design. Soup stains. Nice. Kyle Farmer, Jonah Heim, Frank Schwindel, Adam Wainwright, Reese Hoskins, Jeter Downs rookie card, Tyler Mahle, and John Gray. Beep beep. This one feels like it's a little thicker, I think, for some reason. Jorge Alfaro doing a burp. Giants card. Everybody's jumping up and down there. Our home run leaders in the National League, that's Schwarber, Alonso, and Riley. And there are your leaders there, if you want to look at them. Teammates celebrate walk-off. All I see is dirt and hair. Okay, I gotta put that in that pile. ERA leaders in the NL, Arias, Alcantara, and Fried. And there you go with those numbers. We got Anthony Rizzo on the 1988 design, and this looks like it's a blue parallel. It is not numbered. I have these things over here. 1988 Topps Blue in a hobby box has 1 out of 367 packs. So with odds like that, you'd think this would be numbered, but it isn't. I suppose we should probably sleeve that one up. You think? I'd say that's a good idea. And we'll put that on the stand as a highlight. Again, I probably need to get better stands there. Let's flip these over. We got Tristan Casas, rookie card. Franchi Cordero. Paul Goldschmidt, our MVP winner from last year. Gunnar Henderson, rookie card. Look at the soup stains on him. Wow. Dean Kremer. Ke'Bryan Hayes. Davis Martin, rookie card. And Christian Yelich. Beep, beep. Sonny Gray. Joan Duran. Max Kepler. AJ Minter. One of these all aces card, Luis Castillo. There's Julio Rodriguez, his second year card, rookie cup. Evan Lee rookie card. Raisel Iglesias. Michael Chavis. Michael Grove rookie card. Anthony Santander, UFO sighting. Paul Sewald letting out a gigantic belch. Nolan Jones rookie card. And Ketel Marte, who also spotted a UFO in the sky. Beep, beep. Gary Sanchez. Trevor Larnach. Trent Grisham. Byron Buxton. Loud belch coming out of his mouth there. Jose Ramirez. Only a few cards flipped over that time. We got Mike Trout. I haven't been looking for short prints. I wonder if I have any. Alec Boehm. Vinny Pasquantino rookie card. Jonathan Daza. Dylan Cease. Shane McClanahan. Ian Happ. Giovanni Gallegos. And Miguel Vargas rookie card. I'm hoping they put the short prints upside down so that I know that they are what they are, but I probably have missed them if any have happened already. Matt Chapman, Austin Meadows, Christian Vasquez, Dylan Bundy. We have a 1988 design of Jazz Chisholm Jr. I'm putting them in the... Am I mixing these up? No, I'm putting them in the right piles. Eric Fetty, Jose Altuve, Antonio Senzatella, Scott Barlow, loud belch coming from him there. Corey Knebel, Carlos Carrasco, Matthew Liberatore. Hey, look at this. There's a fraying on the bottom there. The cut wasn't real good on that. It's not, you could see it more here on the green. See that? So quality control issues, even in the hobby boxes. Corbin Burns and Josiah Gray. I guess that's the only one I've seen like that so far. Beep, beep. So we're at the halfway point. Hoo-hoo! Jacob deGrom, Cody Bellinger, Alex Cobb, Josh Naylor, Burping. We got to flip these over. John Bertie, Hunter Green, Eric Lauer, Brandon Marsh, nice beard. Nice beard down here. That's one. We're like 20 minutes into this, and I just noticed that they have separate photos down here, similar to like the 1983 and 1984 top sets, and 1963. I'm not sure what other years they did that, but that's nice to see them bring that back. Max Scherzer. Eduardo Rodriguez. Let me check out Eduardo. Okay. Garrett Cooper, Jaron Duran, Nestor Cortez, and Cody Clemens rookie card. Isn't Cody Rogers' son? I think he is. Yeah, maybe I should just put that over there just for name recognition. Not every famous father's son always turns out great. There's a history of that. National League team. The Washington team. We have wins leaders in the AL. That's Verlander, Valdez, and Manoah. Judge walks it off in 10. Luis Arias, who won the batting title, 316. We got a rainbow foil of Abraham Toro. That's not numbered. A Yu Darvish, Mark Apple rookie card, Max Stassi, Daniel Vogelbach burping, Tommy Edman, Brett Beatty rookie card, Lucas Giolito, and Brandon Lowe. Double check Brandon Lowe. Okay. Beep, beep. Woohoo! Kyle Hendricks. Some of these players I'm not as familiar with as I should be. Ozzie Albies. So every now and then I like to look at the backs. Jesse Winker. Caleb Killian, rookie card. On the 88 design, we have Rafael Devers. David Villar, rookie card. Liam Hendricks, burping. Jeffrey Springs. Cal Quantrill. Jermaine Palacios, rookie card. Merrill Kelly. Fernando Tatis Jr., Derek Hall, rookie card, and Matt Strom. You know, we're like 24 minutes, and I just realized these are called silver packs. Oops, brains. There's a Guardians card. Cardinals card. RBI leaders in the NL, that's Alonso, Goldschmidt, and Lindor. I didn't know Lindor had that many. Yeah, 107. Obviously, I didn't pay attention to the stats as good as I should have. Unmatched energy in Cleveland, I'd say. Burping and burping behind him and laughing at the guy burping. Neat. Mark Canha. We got, what is this called? Pick a game for a shot to win. That's Mookie Betts. So that's for that home run challenge they have. I don't know how far back that dates, but it seems like it's been going on for some time. Yadiel Hernandez, Gregory Soto, Vladimir Gutierrez, Yordan Alvarez, Paul Blackburn, Gabriel Moreno, Noah Syndergaard, and Jack Suwinski. So the one thing I've noticed so far, there hasn't been much in the way of duplication, which is actually kind of nice. Teoscar Hernandez, Rony Garcia, Nick Pivetta, Rafael Devers, Joe Barlow. Welcome to the club. It's George Brett, 2020, and I think we can all remember that. That was from his 1979 season, where he had at least 20 doubles, 20 triples, and 20 homers in a season, and that does not happen very often. As you can see, they've got Jeff Heath back in 41 and Curtis Granderson in 2007. And Brett joined Jim Bottomley as the only one that had 40 doubles, 20 triples, and 20 homers. Quite a remarkable season, I'd say. And that precedes him having a .390 season in 1980. Tony Gonsolin, Freddie Freeman, Abraham Toro. Okay, we've seen that one before. Willie Adames, Sandy Alcantara, Bo Brisky, I hope I pronounced that right, Eduardo Escobar, and Christopher Morel rookie card. Beep, beep. Yusei Kikuchi, Diamondbacks card. Angels card. Again, the theme seems to be water. Throwing water at each other. Water fights. Wins in the National League. That's Wright, Arias, and Darvish. And Kyle Wright had 21 last year, which these days I think is kind of remarkable. You don't see too many 20-game winners anymore. O'Neill Cruz, Pete Alonso, Adley Rutschman, rookie card. That's probably a big name for the year. Aaron Judge, our MVP in the AL. Ivan Herrera, rookie card. Tommy Pham, Herman Marquez, Patrick Sandoval, Shane Bieber, and Kevin Gausman. What kind of year did Kevin have last year? 12 and 10. Okay. Beep, beep. Kyle Bradish. I'm still not sure how to pronounce his last name. It's either Bradish or Bradish. Brady Singer. Seth Lugo. Jesus Sanchez. Here's another welcome to the club. Willie Mays. What do we have here? 30-30. Back-to-back in 56 and 57. He's one of the, I guess he's one of the earliest players to have done that. Does that say he was the first? Ken Williams did 30-30 back in 1922. Okay. Flip these over. Cal Mitchell rookie card. Tarek Skubal. Michael Givens. Gavin Sheets. Kendall Graveman, Corey Seager, Tristan McKenzie. What kind of year did he have last year? 11 and 11. 2.96. That's not too bad. Maybe I'll keep him in that pile. Jordan Romano, Ryan Presley. It's just I've seen his name mentioned at times, and I never bothered to look him up. Beep, beep. Brandon Hughes, rookie card. Ronald Acuna Jr. Blake Snell. sure which pile I should put Blake in. I guess that one. Oh, how do you pronounce that? Lennon Sosa, rookie card. Miguel Cabrera. Manuel Margot. Green continues to impress. Marcus Stroman. Albert Pujols. I wasn't sure if they were going to have an Albert Pujols card, but they did. So I guess that's his last official base card during his playing career. Cade Cavalli rookie card. Max Castillo rookie card. Patrick Wisdom. Oops. Sorry about the bounce there. Yadier Molina. J.J. Bleday rookie card. So we've got 4 packs left, and so far no relic or autograph yet. So I wonder if we're going to have one of those rare ones where we don't have one. Isaiah Kiner-Falefa. Josh Winkowski, I guess, rookie card. Seth Beer. JT Brubaker. We have a Mookie Betts on the 1988 design. I think the 1988 design was a nice design. Tyler Wells. Robbie Ray. Michael Massey rookie card. Zach Davies. Juan Soto. Bryce Harper. Burping. Gerard Encarnacion rookie card. Ian Anderson. Camilo Doval. Woohoo! Beep beep. Trevor Rogers. Sam Mull. Jordan Montgomery. Josh Smith rookie card. Congratulations. So it's a material card. Adolis Garcia. So nothing real exciting, I'd say. Usually you get relic cards. You don't normally see the autograph cards that much. So I guess we'll... I probably should... I'd have to get one of the thicker sleeves, and they're not within reach. So I'll sleeve that up later. Not thicker sleeves. They're a little bit bigger to fit them. Ha-Seong Kim. Graham Ashcraft rookie card. Mookie Betts. Nathaniel Lowe. C.J. Cron. Keibert Ruiz. Luis Garcia. Down to our last 2 packs, and then we'll do the silver pack last. Harold Castro. Jordan Lyles. Salvador Perez. Tyrone Taylor. What do we got here? Greatest hits of 2022. It's Bryce Harper. 2022 GH-12. These are 1 out of 16 packs. That's the odds of those. Looks like a rainbow foil of Cody Bellinger. Those are not numbered. See, the rainbow foil is 1 out of 10 packs. JT Realmuto. We got these all flipped the wrong way. Zach Thompson rookie card. Chris Bryant. Tanner Rainey. Tim Anderson. G-Man Choi. Hunter Brown rookie card. And Brandon Drury. Our last pack of the hobby box. Brayan Bello rookie card. Keegan Thompson. Ryan Helsley. Oswald Peraza rookie card. Bobby Witt Jr., second-year card now. Aaron Ashby. Brad Keller. Roberto Perez. Adrian Hauser. Carlos Rodon. Ezekiel Duran. Ryan Mountcastle. That's a second-year card for him now. Mike Yastrzemski. And Steele Walker rookie card. So let's open up our silver pack. Oh, these are lovely. Look how nice and shiny and mojo-y they are. So there's Mark McGuire, J.J. Bleday rookie card, Caleb Killian, and there's the back of the 88 design in case you were wondering, and it just does look like what I remember it. Byron Buxton and advertisement. So that's our 2023 Top Series 1 Hobby Box. I must say I'm not real excited about the Hobby Box. There wasn't a whole lot in the way of hits in this one. The only highlights I found were a relic card of Adolis Garcia and a blue border Anthony Rizzo. Not one card in this entire box was numbered. So I'm not real thrilled with the Hobby Box. I guess I'm going to have to look for some hanger boxes in my Target maybe. I don't know if they have them yet. It's been a while since I've been to the Target. I could check the Walmart, but the Walmart shelves are a huge mess, and I hate combing through them, and the Target is just so much a nicer presentation. I don't know what goes on at the Walmart. It looks like, I don't know, like the Three Stooges have ran through it. Anyway, that's our Hobby Box and the first release of the 2023 season. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think of 2023 Series 1 down below in the comments. I have to say I like the design. I just think the Hobby Box doesn't have a lot going for it, and spending $88 or so, I'm guessing it's probably going to be higher in a month or so. I can't see spending that kind of money on it, even if you're more likely to get relic cards than you are autographs. On that note, take care, everybody. Beep, beep.